Here with me I have three rings connected to each other, a blue, green and orange ring. Now this link might look very ordinary and nothing special about it, but there is in fact something very different about this type of link. This is a special type of link called a Brunnian link. What is so special about a Brunnian link is when any two rings are observed, they're not linked directly with each other, but when all three rings are looked at together, they are linked. Interesting, right? This is a 3D version of this drawing. In the drawing, if you look at only the blue and orange ring, ignoring the green, you would see the orange is completely on top of the blue, in a way that they are not connected. The same way, if you look at any two rings in the drawing and ignoring the other, they are not connected and one is in fact overlapping the other. Now, as these two rings are not connected and only connected in the presence of a third ring, this means that if any one ring is removed, all three rings will come apart. So the connection of the rings solely depend on one ring, and without that one ring, the link will not be present. Don't believe me? Here, I'll show you. If I were to snip the blue ring here and take it apart, you would see the orange and the green ring also come apart. It is a wonder that a structure of such complexity and elegance relies on something so simple. These rings may be simple to dismantle, but are they simple to construct? They may look very complicated, but are in fact simple. The link can better be described as weaving. In weaving, we go over and under, until all parts are weaved through completely. The same in these type of links. We go over, in this case the orange, and under, in this case the green. Then we go over the orange again, here, and under the green. Now when these two rings have been weaved through completely by the blue, we can glue the blue together and form a Brunnian link. Ta-da! Here it is. Now these rings may get harder to construct as a number of components increase. Here I have the same model with 4 different rings, a blue, green, orange and pink. However, there are many number of variations of these type of links, and as the number and shape of these rings change, they appear to be more intricate, but still do depend on that single component, which in its absence, the whole connection will come apart. These links are present everywhere in real life. Usually their use is symbolic, in where segments of a whole which collectively represent the whole, but have their own unique significance. These links are also present in a tangible manner, in rainbow looms. I know rainbow looms as the colorful rubber band bracelets. Now if I took this linkage of 3 rings again, and if I tugged the blue and green, the orange would form a structure that looks very similar to the loops I have seen in those bracelets. These links are also present in the disentanglement puzzles and in conceptual art as well. But most of all, what these rings signify is that they stand all for one and one for all.